Hi, this is just a really quick video on how to do a calculation of grade point average in Excel. And this is what you're going to be building for your project in the IME 101 class. And I want you to build it for every quarter that you might be at Cal Poly. So looking at this, I wanted to show you this is an example of the classes you might take and maybe the grades you might be getting. And then the next one over is the units that for each of these classes. Now the grade points, you can see here what I've included is a really long if statement. And this is one of the things you'll have to learn how to do in this. But if I just read this, it says that if B2, which is this value, is equal to A, the text A, then assign a 4. And then the next question, so if it's not, this is like the statement, and this is if it's true, and then the next one if it's false. If it's false, then I want to check to see if it's an A minus. If it's an A minus, I assign that, which is true, and then the false is I want to check if it's a B plus. So this is what the if statement looks like so that it assigns a value here. So in this case, if I wanted to put, if I instead of gotten an A, I got a C, you can see it recalculated the GPA associated with that. And then in order to calculate GPA, we take the number of units times the grade point, which is a conversion of this, and we multiply it together. So that's what that is. And then you add all of those up, and then in order to get the GPA, you take this value and you divide by that. So it's 2.3. Now you can see here, if I got a C in math, then I'm getting a 2.3 GPA. But if I get a D in math, I'm getting quite a bit lower. And what if I got a B in 141, I'm actually on academic probation. So we need to be careful about these, and this will help us to see where we are. Now, one of the great things about Excel is this now becomes a permanent record of calculation. So you can come back to this. One of the things you'll probably do is add other sheets. So this is one sheet, and I might actually call this sheet Fall 2016, and I might create another sheet that's going to be Winter 2017 and do the same calculation in it. And then also you'll want a cumulative GPA calculation. You'll need to figure out how to do that. Well, I hope that sort of helps you on the general aspects of calculating your GPA.